Hello and welcome to another video in my pixel editor development series where I'm creating a pixel editor using my custom C++ GUI library. So I thought I'd give you a quick video showing what I've been doing the past week, and this week's update is all about index palettes. So this is a fully index palette pixel editor like the old DPaint 3, and I've managed to load a indexed PNG, which is this image here. And as you can see, its palette has been extracted and populates all 256 slots in my palette on the right hand side. So if I go to my palette editor, one of the cool things about this, because it's an index palette, as soon as we change a colour, like if we change that colour there, the corresponding pixels on the image change straight away with absolutely no drop in frame rate, which is quite cool if you want to do that. I've chosen this picture because it's got a nice white background, and I believe that one is the background colour, so there we go. So as soon as we change that colour in the palette, the image updates in real time. And of course this works across all the editing tools, including HSV. So make it more red, more white, change it to blue, we can make it a blue background, or darken it. Or we can just change the sliders. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So if we just undo all this, another good tool, good way of changing the colours. If we want to change all the colours in the palette, we can just select all of them. And if we go to gradient and just convert that to a grayscale and click on accept, because most of these colours were arranged in brightness values anyway, you get a rough grayscale of this image. But if we undo that and just select all those again and open up our new colour ramp tool, as I showed in the last video, and create a new colour ramp, and we'll name that one full palette. Oh, OCD. There we go. So now we've got the full palette in a colour ramp, so we should have 256 colours. Yeah, 255. As you can see, they were pretty much in brightness value anyway, so grayscale will to the top. But what we can do is we can select all the colours in that range, and we can use these setters here to change the hue, saturation and value of all the colours we've selected. So this tool will probably be moved up to the actual palette editor tool up here at some point, but it's good to have it in the frame as well, in the ramps. So if we change the saturation, if you look at the palette, the image, there you go, it immediately changed to grayscale. You can undo that, it goes back to its normal. If we increase the saturation, you see all the colours start getting maxed out and the palette changes in real time. Another one is hue, which is quite nice, so keep an eye on the palette at the top in the image. So as I change the hue, see how the cloak and everything else, which isn't grey, just cycles through all the colours of the rainbow. So that's a quick way of recolouring it in an image. It's quite nice seeing the palette change at the top in real time too. And there we go. And of course, we can just undo that. Actually, that's quite a nice colour. Leave it as on. If we increase the value or decrease the value, it changes the actual brightness of the image itself. And there we go. And back to the original. So yeah, this is just a quick video showing how my indexed images are working very nicely. It's all to do with OpenGL shaders and passing different textures to the shader, but it's all in real time, hasn't skipped a beat on my 60 frames a second, and yeah, I can change any colour in any way I want in real time. Now onward and upward. I think the next thing to add is these are placeholder squabbles, so just need to tie in the image to the actual canvas, which is the background there. That shouldn't take too long. And then I've got another very interesting idea on how to actually do the drawing operations using shaders. So I'll keep you posted in the next couple of videos. Drop a like if you like this video, drop a comment, or if you've got any features you want to see or want me to add, just let me know. I'm doing this on the fly, I've got no plan. So yeah, any feedback would be great. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.